Hey there, today I'm diving into a topic that's super important but often hard to face toxic relationships. If you're feeling drained or constantly unhappy, it might be time to evaluate your relationship. First off, let's talk about the signs. Are you always walking on eggshells? Does your partner belittle or criticize you more than they uplift you? Manipulation, excessive jealousy, and controlling behavior are big red flags. Now, if you're nodding along, thinking, yep, that sounds familiar, don't worry, you're not alone. The first step is recognizing the problem. Awareness is half the battle. So, what can you do? Start by setting boundaries. Communicate clearly about what's acceptable and what's not. It can be tough, but it's crucial. Next, focus on self-care. Surround yourself with supportive friends and engage in activities that make you happy. Remember, your well-being comes first. If things don't improve, consider seeking professional help. A counselor or therapist can offer valuable insights and strategies. And sometimes, the best option is to walk away. It's hard, but staying in a toxic environment can do long-term damage to your mental health. You deserve happiness and respect. So, take a deep breath, trust your instincts, and take the necessary steps to protect yourself. Your future self will thank you. Thanks for watching. And remember to like, subscribe, and share. If you found this helpful, stay strong.